Hi me, a day in the life of 30-year-old woman na nag-resign sa work at ngayon hindi niya alam ang gagawin niya sa buhay. Vlog 6. Okay, vlog 6 na tayo guys at day 5 ng ating Challenging Myself journey. Pero this time, hindi tayo magdodraw lots kasi meron tayong nakalaan na vlog for today's video. At yun ay ang babysitter for a week na na-experience naming mag-asawa. I wanna share with you guys ang experience na nagawa namin. At ang inalagaan nga pala namin ay ang aking pamangkin na si Love. Yan lang. Tunawang taba.
Duck.
What is that?
Duck.
Duck. Good job. E-I-E-I-O. And then quack back here and quack back there. Here and quack.
Hi, Ada, duck.
It's a lamp. Can you get a stuffed animal or an action figure to dance with? And then we can dance together. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, it's treasure.
Apa? Oh. Apa? 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 Apa?
Watch ka na dyan.
I like it.